Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to convert lookup into master data relationship in Salesforce, where we have converted from lookup field into master detail in Salesforce Lightning. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to convert master detail into lookup relationship in Salesforce. So follow this step to convert master detail into lookup field in Salesforce. First, go to setup page of Salesforce. Then select object manager. Here we will be converting the master detail field into lookup field in Salesforce Lightning. So friends, before converting master detail relationships, notice that whether you have roll-up summary field on master side or not. If you have roll-up summary field in master side, then you cannot convert from master detail into lookup field. So now let me jump to my Salesforce Credential org, where we will be create live demo example from master detail to lookup field in Salesforce. So friends, this is my Salesforce Credential org. First go to the setup and click here. Then go to the object manager and find your object. So as per the my scenario, take W3 wave, it is a parent object and course is a child object. So course and take W3 wave between master and child relationship. So first let me check the course. This is the object, custom object course. Go to the field and relationship, and here you can find master detail, take W3 wave. So in the bracket, take W3 wave, it is a parent object and this is a master detail relationship. Now let me check on the parent object, take W3 wave, go to the field and relationship, and here you can find roll-up summary. Roll-up summary and roll-up summary. There are two roll-up summary created on the master side. So, as per the Salesforce of the rule, if master has roll-up summary, then we cannot convert master to roll-up field. So, first we need to delete the all of the roll-up summary field. Then we are able to convert from master to lookup field. So, let me try to convert from master to lookup before deleting. So, go to the child object course. Still, I do not delete my roll-up summary from master side. Now, edit the field. And here you can find there are no option to change the field from master to lookup. So, as per the Salesforce of the rule, if master has roll-up summary, then we cannot change from master to roll-up. So, there is no option to button change data type from lookup to master. So now go to the parent object. Go to the field relationship. Now let me delete all of the roll-up summary field. So in the parent object, there are two roll-up summary field, first and second. So one by one, I am deleting both of the field. Delete. I deleted one. Then I am deleting another one. Total fee. And delete. After deleting from Lightning, go to the Salesforce Classic. Go to the setup. Object. Click here. I deleted field from master. So this is a take W3 master and go to the custom field and relationship, and here you can find deleted fields. Click here and I deleted two roll of summary fields, count and total fee. So erase from here. So I deleted permanently from Salesforce. So first I delete from Lightning, then go to the classic of Salesforce, and after go to the object and find the master object and go to the field and delete permanently from Salesforce all of the roll up summary field. Now go to the Salesforce Lightning. Now go to the setup. Go to the object manager. Now go to the your child object. So my child object name is course. Go to the field and relationship. And here is a master detail. So in this lesson, I am converting from master detail to lookup. So before converting master detail to lookup, I deleted all of the roll-up summary from parent object. Now go to the edit. Now here you can find change field type. So before roll-up summary deleted, change before type button does not available here. After deleting roll-up summary field from master, change field data type, it is display. Now we can change from master to lookup relationship. Click here, change field type. Currently it is a master treated relationship. Now I am changing lookup relationship. Now go to the next. Leave as it is. Next. And next. And save. So here you can see I have successfully changed from master detail to lookup relationships. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn how to convert from master detail relationships to lookup relationship in Salesforce. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to convert from master detail relationship to lookup relationships, please write in comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply search TechW3Wave. And here you will be get my channel name TechW3Wave. Click here and go to the videos. Here you will be get many more video like Lightning Order Component, Visual Force Page, Salesforce, Lightning Flow Builder, Salesforce LWC. So here you will be get live demo real-time scenario that is working in Office. So you will be get very helpful in your project if you subscribe my channel. So please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you so much.